Creating the square method, we're going to 2m squared plus 5m is equals to 20. Divide all side by 2. You have m squared plus 5 over 2m equals to 10. Right? Add here we have m plus 5 over 4 squared, because this one is gone. Right? M plus 5 over 4 all in brackets square. And here we'll be having 10 plus 25. The 5 square is 25 all over 4 square is 16. At the end we're going to have, let's come here. Okay, you have m plus 5 over 4 square equals to this. We're going to have the LCM 16. You have 160 plus 25. At the end we have m plus 5 over 4 all in bracket square equals to 189 all over 16. At this point, take the square roots of both sides. Take the square roots of both sides. Right? We're going to have m plus 5 over 4. If we take the square root, equals to plus and minus square root of 189 all over 16. At the end we have m plus 5 over 4. Okay, we have plus or minus square root of 189 is 13.60 all over 4. The square root of 16 is 4. Let me cancel from here so that we can be able to have a space. Right, now we have our m plus 5 over 4 is equals to plus and minus 13.60 all over 4. Then our m will be, we move this, we collect like terms, minus 5 over 4. This is plus. As we move to the right hand side, the sign will change from plus to minus. Plus or minus 13.60 all over 4. Therefore our m is equals to minus 5 plus 13.60 all over 4, or minus 5 minus 13.60 all over 4. Therefore m is equals to, this will give us 8.60 all over 4, or minus 18.60 all over 4. So m is equals to 2.15 or minus 4.15 as the final value for m. Thank you.